What if a country could influence events thousands of miles away, simply by maintaining a presence on foreign soil? In modern geopolitics, military strength is not only measured by the size of an army or the number of weapons a nation possesses, it is also measured by where those forces can operate across the world. This is the military base principle. When a nation places strategic forces in key locations beyond its borders, it expands its ability to influence global events. Military bases abroad act as forward positions of power. Throughout history, geography has shaped how nations defend themselves and project influence. In earlier eras, armies were limited by distance and slow transportation. Countries could only defend regions close to their own territory. Distance restricted strategy. But as global transportation and naval power advanced, nations began building military outposts in distant locations to protect trade routes, monitor rivals, and respond quickly to emerging conflicts. Strategic presence changed the map. Today, many global powers maintain networks of overseas military bases positioned across critical regions. These bases allow nations to deploy troops, aircraft, and naval forces far from home while maintaining supply lines and logistical support. Presence enables rapid response. For example, air bases allow fighter jets and surveillance aircraft to monitor large areas of the world, while naval bases support fleets that patrol key maritime trade routes and choke points. Infrastructure sustains influence. These bases also serve diplomatic and strategic purposes. By maintaining forces in allied countries, nations strengthen security partnerships and reassure allies that support is nearby if conflict arises. Alliances extend security. At the same time, military bases can also create geopolitical tension. Rival powers often view foreign bases near their borders as strategic pressure or influence. Location signals power. Forward presence as strategy air bases as rapid deployment, naval bases as maritime control, global networks as influence military bases reveal an important reality about modern geopolitics. In a connected world, power is not only about defending territory, it is also about maintaining presence across the global map. Because the nations that shape international events are often the ones with forces positioned far beyond their own borders, ready to influence events anywhere strategy demands.